Hi friends, I'm Mouse, come sing with me. Let's learn the alphabet A to Z. A is for airplanes, flying high. B is for banana, tall, you can try. C is for castle, Jew, standing tall. D is for drum, boom boom call. E is for elephant, too big and grand. F is for flower, I'm not in the sand. G is for guitar, I strumming tune. H is for hat and worn in June. Hi friends, I'm Mouse, come sing with me. Let's learn the alphabet A to Z. I is for ice cream, and cold and sweet. J is for jellyfish, Joe is swimming neat. K is for kite, go up in the sky. L is for loud, E shining bright. M is for mouse, mouth,
That's me.
that's me. N is for nestle in a tree. O is for octopus, pulls with arms. P is for pencil, to writing charms. Hi friends, I'm Mouse, come sing with me. Let's learn the alphabet A to Z. Q is for queen, waving hand. R is for rainbow, bright and grand. S is for star, yeah, twinkling light. T is for train, chugging at night. U is for umbrella, in the rain. V is for Viola, playing again. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for xylophone, music too. Hi friends, I'm Mouse, come sing with me. Let's learn the alphabet A to Z. Y is for yonder, rolling around. V is for zebra, with stripes found. Great job, my friends, we've sung A to Z. You learned the alphabet so smart as can be. Now shout hooray, mate, 1, 2, 3. The ABCs are fun with me. Hi friends, I'm Mouse, come sing with me. Let's learn the alphabet A to Z. Y is for yonder, rolling around. The ABCs are fun with me.